Let's make this skirt. So first thing I'm going to do is to mark from the waist to the hip depth, from the waist to the line of the skirt. I will go ahead and connect it up with a straight line. After doing so, I will take the round waist divided by 4, mark it up, the round hip divided by 4 and mark it on the hip depth line, the round hip divided by 4 and I'm going to mark it on the hem and I'm going to connect it up just like you can see me doing. I will mark the waistband of 1 inch. Then I'm going to make it to be more a pencil at the hem by going in by 3/4 inch, and I'm going to, after placing another paper under, I'm going to cut it just like you can see me doing it up right here. Once we're done cutting it, the next thing we're going to do is to move the paper we added under to cut it. Then we're going to go ahead and connect this line. Now I'm going to go ahead. Now I'll be marking just a point, then I'll connect it up like this and also do the same thing up like that. And the other side, I'll make it much bigger than what we have for the smaller part. So I'll just draw lines just like you can see me doing in here and do the same thing to the smaller part. What we're going to do is to go ahead and cut this up. After cutting it, what I'm going to do is just to grab that on the other piece that we did cut and place it under, but I'll be separating them up. I will do what we call scratch and spread method. I'll cut it up and I'll also do the same thing to the smaller piece, cut up. Then we're going to grab another paper, after which we've done doing so we will spray that on it. So I'm using this brown paper. I'll just go ahead and place this on top. Then you can do it up by 1 inch, you can do it up by 2 inch or even 3 inch, depending on how fuller you want that drape on it to be, or pleat, whatever you call it. So if you take note right there, what I'm actually doing is to make sure I pin them more closer. I'm taking my time and also make sure that whatever I have as the distance of the space should be almost the same. After which I'm done doing so, my paper gum, I'm going to go ahead and cut that up. When I'm done cutting it up, I'm going to go ahead and separate it up at the center. Then I'll just go ahead and pleat them up. If you've been following me for a while, you should be able to recognize this part here that we always, when we do scratch and spread method, we'll always end up pleating it inside, just like you can see me doing right there. After doing so, I'll go ahead and trim the excess that I don't need and join them up together with my solo tape. If you have a solo tape or whatever you have, or paper gum, just do so, or paper tape, just do so. We're just going to go ahead and gum them up together. So after gumming it, what I will do is to go ahead now, I will just go in from the hem by at least 2 inch, cut that part up and cut the band that is going to go on top here. You can do 1 inch, 2 inch, and we have something like this. So after gumming the little bowl, as you can see the bowl to it, we have something like this. What do you think about this tutorial? Do you like it? If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow me for